Porsche Classic Challenge 2025, Paul Miller Porsche and J&B Bodyworks. Guys, with 82 days left to go until the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge, we are kicking this thing into overdrive and we have a lot to do. As you can see, we have wires hanging everywhere from the car and there's still a ton of interior left to disassemble. So our main objective right now, by the end of this week, is to get the full front, the full engine bay, the full underside, and the full interior stripped. Following that, paint the whole thing in signal yellow. And the devil is in the details. We are not overlooking anything, and we want to put a little bit of extra effort into anything that we can possibly touch.